Hello dear students, and once again welcome back to this online class video. This is the 10th part of 13th chapter Ways to Multiply and Divide of class 5 subject mathematics, and I am Jay Prakash. I start the class. Now let's know the name of the today's topic. It is practice time, and under this topic we will solve some word problems which will be based on the multiplication and division. So now here is the question 1. 576 books are to be packed in boxes, means total books are 576. If one box has 24 books, how many boxes are needed? So come to the last sentence. Here it is saying that find the number of boxes. So in this condition, by dividing the numbers we can find this. So now come to the statements, means solution. So given, so what is given? From the question we have total number of books, that is 576. Second, 24 books are packed in only one box. It means in one box we have 24 books only. So now we have to find the number of boxes to pack 576 books. So just divide the numbers. 576 divided by 24, and here is the solution. A long division is here, so you can see that the quotient is 24, so it will be our answer. So at last we will write, hence 24 boxes are needed to pack 576 books. Now come to the question number 2. 836 people are watching a movie in a hall. If the hall has 44 rows, how many people can sit in one row? Once again we have to find the number of people which can sit in one row. It means once again we have to divide. Come to the solution. Given, so what is given? Total people, that was 836. Now number of rows in the hall, that was 44. So we will write people can sit in one row. So divide it, 836 divided by 44. So we will get 19 as our answer. You can see the long division, and at last write the hence, means answer. 19 people can sit in one row. Now question number 3 is here. A gardener bought 458 apple trees. He wants to plant 15 trees in each row. How many rows can he plant? How many trees would be left over? So here you can see that here we have to find how many rows can he plant. So number of rows we have to find. So once again it's a division. So come to the given. What is given? Total apple trees, that is 458. Then number of trees in one row, that is 15. Now so number of rows for 458 trees, it will be divided, means 458 divided by 15. So here you can see in the quotient we got 30, and what is the remainder? It is 8. So 8 plants are remaining, it is left. So we will write hence he can plant 30 rows and 8 trees would be left. Now come to question number 4. It is Shamli bought a battery. She read it life 2000 hours. It means this is the battery life 2000 hours. So she uses it throughout the day and the night, means one complete day. One day means 24 hours, as you know. So how many days will the battery run? Okay, so here we have to find the number of days of running of this battery. So come to the solution. So what is given? Life of a battery 2000 hours, and we know that one day means 24 hours. So battery will run in days. Okay, so we have to divide 2000 divided by 24. So here we can see 83, it will be our quotient, and 8 is our remainder. So 8 will be 8 hours. Why? Because it's a part of dividend, which is 2000, and 2000 is hours. So 8 will be also hours. So 8 hours more, and number of days will be 83. So write hence the battery will run 83 days. Now come to the next question. Question number 5. A tank is full of 300 liters of water. how much water will be filled in 25 tanks? So here is the first question. So let's solve it first. So given capacity of a tank, that is 300 liter. So capacity of 25 tanks will be, here we are going to one to many, means one tank's capacity we have, and here we have to find 25 tanks capacity. So in this condition, just multiply. So 300 multiply by 25, so you will get 7500 liter. Now next, if 15 buckets can be filled with one tank of water, so how many buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks? So now come to here, one tank is filled with 15 buckets, so 25 tanks can be filled with 25 multiplied by 15 is equal to 375 buckets. So here you can see the solution, and at last we will write, hence 375 buckets can be filled in 25 tanks. Now come to question number 6. There are 28 laddus in 1 kilogram, and how many laddus will be there in 12 kilogram? So let's make a solution for it. Given, so what is given? Number of laddus in 1 kilogram, that is 28. So number of laddus in 12 kilogram, 28 multiplied by 12, so we will get 336. So now next, if 16 laddus can be packed in one box, so we will write here 16 laddus can be packed is equal to in only one box. So how many boxes are needed to pack this all laddus? So which laddus? 336. This is our all laddus. Okay, so now here we have to find the number of boxes to pack 336 laddus. So we will write number of boxes to pack this all laddus, means 336. So 336 divided by 16, so we will get 21. So write the answer. Hence 21 boxes are needed to pack this all laddus, means 336 laddus. Now here we have our last question, question number 7. There are 26 rooms in a school. Total number of rooms is 26. Each room has 4 plants. Okay, so if the total number of rooms will be 26 and plant in one room is 4, so we can find that how many plants are there in 26 rooms. So it's a simple multiplication, 26 multiplied by 4, so we will get 104 plants. So next, if each plant needs 2 cups of water, so how much water do we need for the all plants? So here one plant needs 2 cups of water, so 104 plants need water. 104 multiplied by 2, so it will be 208 cups of water. So at last we will write, hence 208 cups of water is needed for this all plants. So all plants means 104 plants. So here we found at first number of plants, then find the total cups of water. So in this way you have to make solutions in your notebook, and also in your exams you can write this type of statement for a complete solutions, then you will get the complete marks. So in this way this topic is completed. I hope that you have very well understand this all solutions. If you have any doubt in any question or any step, so must ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply that. So now let's over today's class. See you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.